Hi, it's Deanna from Future's Past Boutique, and today I'm going to show you some antique Victorian and early 20th century costume jewelry that I received today. The first one is Czechoslovakian glass filigree beads. It's a necklace, and let me show you the beautiful catch on it. It's quite lovely. Let me show you a close-up of it. The purple beads look like amethysts, but it's like glass. And it has lovely filigree going throughout the piece. It's just beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Nice big chunky beads. The next item is probably from the 40s or the 50s. It looks like a Miriam Haskell type of costume jewelry necklace. And it has lovely flowers made out of gold colored metal with coral, little coral beads that are inside dangling that appear to be like flower stamens. So let me show you. So it goes all around the necklace, all these pretty little flowers, and they dangle. The catch doesn't have a marker or a maker's name or stamp on it, so I'm unsure of the maker of this beautiful necklace. But as you can see, it's so pretty. The next item I'm going to show you is an antique watch chain. So it's a slider, and it has an amazing fob charm on the end, and it's like almost like neoclassical. It has grotesque little creatures on it. This one looks like Stitch from Lilo and Stitch, whatever that movie was. And yeah, it sort of looks like my Shih Tzu dog. Little teeth and jeweled little eyes with some kind of citrine paste glass gems. He has like little green jeweled eyes. And the bottom one is scary. It's like a ram-headed, devilish looking creature. And it has a citrine gem. It's probably glass. There's no maker's marks or insignias. So as you can see, that's quite cool. And it has a slider going up the chain. Let me show you. So this little piece here slides up and down like a bolo tie. So this was probably a necklace worn by a Victorian lady, and her pocket watch was attached to it. And last but not least is a chain, a long chain with watch fob charms dangling from it. Victorian era watch fob chains. This one has initials on it. That one's really pretty. It has a little gem inside of it. This one appears to be a locket. I haven't opened it yet. This one is a little locket with a photo frame in it with glass. It actually has a little glass panel. And it has embellishments. That's another watch fob charm. Doesn't have any initials on it. And we get to here, and we have another watch fob charm. We have another little one. And then this guy like an acorn of some sort. And last but not least, we have this one, which looks like some kind of mystic guy. It has the letters NU with like a moon face on top of some kind of Swami looking guy of some sort. Or maybe it's one of those scary Italian faience type of, like grotesque masked face people. So yeah, so this is pretty cool. Yeah, so like I like old jewelry and notions, and I thought you'd like to see it too. So once again, thanks for watching, and have a wonderful day.